you guys, it's a bonus video. We have another Jeulia Jewelry unboxing, so I cannot wait to show you. This one is geared towards Women's Day. So their little motto for Women's Day is, this Women's Day we celebrate her, the girl that's chasing dreams, the friend who listens, and the mom who gives endlessly. And don't forget, you. Every woman deserves to be celebrated on, I mean, every day, but especially on Women's Day. So I have my 15% off coupon code. As always, it's Kristen15 to use at checkout. So you can save 15% on all of their jewelry. They have sterling silver jewelry, gold plated sterling silver, rose gold plated, black gold plated. So lots of things to choose from. You've probably heard me talk about this brand before. I've worked with them quite a bit now. They are a sustainable jewelry company. They use recycled precious metals to make their jewelry, and they lab grow their own stones. All of their packaging is recyclable and made from recycled materials, and they are just really great, especially because they have like such a wide variety of options, whether you want something casual or you want something super glam or you want something maybe a little dark. They literally have something for everyone, including a full men's line. So let's get into it. I actually did already cut open the bag, so I didn't have to fiddle with it. So here is the box. And this time they let me choose 3 items to show and review. And if you are following me over on Instagram, you will see the reel that I will create for them. So what we have is I create their like an advertisement for them, and they pay me with jewelry. And their jewelry is affordable, but some of it can get a little pricey. So I am more than happy to gather my own collection of Jeulia Jewelry. So let's see. Okay, this is a bracelet. It's so funny that I forgot that this was blue. Look at literally what I'm wearing. Everything is blue. So this is a beautiful, like almost like a little tennis bracelet with ombre clear to blue stones. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Sterling silver, and it is adjustable. So might not be able to put it on, but I could at least hold it up to my, oh yeah, look at the shine, the shimmer on that. And I'm not even outside. Imagine when the light hits it, the sun hits it. Oh my gosh, love, love, love that. You can obviously wear it alone or stacked with other bracelets. All right, then we have the next little box. This one is a ring. I guess I subconsciously, I didn't think about it when I put this outfit on, but I remembered that, remembering now that a lot of it had blue in it. So this I picked for a middle finger ring. This is sterling with their blue and clear stones. Oh my gosh, stunning. So I got this in a 9.5, which is slightly bigger than my middle finger, but that's okay because I wanted to be able to wear it if I wanted on my pointer finger as well, which is a little bit larger of a size. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Love this. And I believe that their sizing does run true to size. I know I had a few questions about that, but yeah, this is, gosh, so pretty. Okay, and then last but not least, we have, oh, I think I got this one for my pinky. So this is just a little like starburst ring with clear stones. And yeah, I got this as like a little pinky ring. So we can have actually the whole little set. It's not really a set, but it looks like it, right? And there you go, with the beautiful blue nails. So, oh my gosh, I'm just floored by this company. It's such amazing jewelry. The quality is amazing. There's literally something for everyone. And I hope you guys cash in on the 15% off coupon code. Grab something for yourself to celebrate yourself, grab something for somebody else as a gift. There really is something for everyone. So make sure you use my code Kristen15 at checkout. And if I will actually leave, like usual, I'll leave the link, my code, the style numbers for each item, so you can put the style number into the search bar on the website and it'll take you right to the item if you wanted to check it out. And I'm also going to put my Instagram link because you'll be able to see the reel that I put up for the company, and they actually use that for their advertisements, which is pretty cool. So that's it. Short, simple, and sweet. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know in the comments. I know a few of you have been buying and letting me know, and you're loving it. So I love to hear it. And let me know your thoughts, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you, guys.